Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with the Xepher.
The Xepher.
The one and only Xepher. I look kind of funny because Xepher is actually going to be doing my makeup, and you see this masterpiece she has always got on her face.
I just like to doodle.
Yeah, no, it's always awesome. She's going to do her take on my face. So I thought that would be really fun, and maybe I could learn a thing or two of creativity from you. She's just going to go ham, I guess.
We're gonna be out here.
Yeah.
Seeing what's happening.
Let's do it. Also, I'm sorry I did not post last week. Of course, you know, a week ago was VidCon and I got super caught up with that. I was gonna film a vlog at VidCon, but I ended up getting too...
It was crazy.
I was too shy, and I ended up going to the convention center on the last day, luckily, and I got to meet a lot of you, which was super fun. You went a few times and you met a lot of people. Yeah, but I didn't even like get the courage to do it until the last day, but I experienced it at least once. And I mean, I've been to VidCon, this was my third year going, but I only really went to the parties before.
Yeah.
And this was my first year actually going to VidCon, and I didn't even go in until the last day, and I'm glad I actually at least did that, because now I know what's in store for me next year, and I will be there way more to see you guys and say hi and be more talkative and know what to expect. So thank you for those who did meet me, for being so patient with me. That was such a great experience, great first experience with you guys. I am back to posting on Mondays, so sorry for the absence of posts the last week and a half and whatnot. Back on my grind, so let's get started. As you can see, I've already done like the base of my face, my contour, my highlight, my brows. So she's just gonna go ham on my eyes and my lips and any extra stuff that she wants to add. So I just kind of did the base for her. So we could just kind of go through it.
It's lit.
What do we start with first?
Well, eyeshadow primer probably.
Eyeshadow primer?
Yeah.
I've actually already got like a good base on. Okay. So it's foundation, but you can use foundation as a base. So let me just set it a little more.
I really don't know like anything about how to apply makeup in the sense I just make things look good, so like I don't know how long they're gonna last, you know.
No, it's okay.
This eyeliner is literally like $4, so
it's okay. If you can use anything of what I have if you want to substitute anything.
These are my signature.
Oh yeah, no.
Yeah.
What is this? I always see this on your face. So
yeah, so this I literally got from Dolls Kill. Oh my gosh, it was actually it's $5, but. Yeah.
This one's $3.
Then this only cost me $1.50.
No way. Yeah. Oh my gosh, girl, hook me up.
That's why I literally, all these are different prices. That's weird. The brand is Moon, and I get it from Dolls Kill. They might still have some online on their website, but
Oh, they do. I checked.
Okay, cool. Otherwise, I would just go to the Moon Glow website, because these are like, they're neon, so they'll show up under a black light and glow. I don't normally wear eyeshadow, but for you, since you have such like perfect lids for it, like
I have big eyelids.
Let's do it, you know.
Small eyes and big eyelids.
Sometimes I'll do eyeshadow looks, but like it's hard for me to mix because it's not like paint, and so since this is like literal paint, it's like a lot easier for me.
You're the first person to do my makeup besides Corey on my channel.
Really?
Yeah. I still haven't done her makeup. I have to do hers.
I know. What the hell?
I know. Well, I decided to switch it up a little bit for this one. You can do mine first.
Sick. I'm excited. These are my go-tos because they're so vibrant.
Oh, wow. Yes.
Yeah.
It reminds me of, it's like the same color pink on here.
Yeah. So I have this one, it's the Laura Lee, I think, I don't know. And then this one that I just got from, I think, Ulta.
NYX, that's a good one.
Yeah,
that's
so
really
this one's pretty vibrant. I just really like vibrant pigmented colors. And I want to just do a little bit on your brows.
Oh, okay. What are you going to do?
I'm just going to straighten them out a little bit.
Oh, no.
I want to try the straight brows. I do.
Oh, man.
I think it'll be a look. And like mine are always like that. So I just want to do...
Okay.
Just trust me. Sick.
Yes. Okay, cool.
I'm going in with bottoms up on the Laura Lee palette. And it is a very vibrant pink. Don't critique my eyeshadow etiquette. I have no idea.
No, girl, this is all you. This is your style. You're basically putting your face on mine.
Okay, cool. I don't normally do other people's makeup, so this is very fun for me.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Like, when's the last time you did somebody else's makeup?
I can't even remember. I really can't. I mean, I'll do their like winged liner a lot. I do that a lot on people just because like I'm pretty good at it since I do it every day.
Oh yeah, you've done my wing liner before. Yeah,
so...
she's a master at wing liner. But I am honored to be your first in a while.
Yeah, it's a really pretty color.
Mm-hmm.
Like I heard a lot of things I think about this palette like that a lot of people don't really like it, but I love it.
Notice you do the more of the packing technique.
I like packing it on there. I normally, honestly, I just normally use my finger because it gets so much more
I do that
product.
a lot too with a lot of stuff.
But I don't know. I don't know if it's just that I don't have the right brush or whatever, but like I love just using my finger because it works so well.
I mean, it's pretty obvious what color you're using.
Yeah.
But...
Oh, yeah, sorry, I forgot to say. Okay, so this one is Dranks. I don't have any. I have a few brushes. I signed up for Ipsy, and that's been sending me like different new stuff every month. So that's kind of cool. But I get some brushes from that, but like other than that, like I never buy them.
You should definitely go to Morphe because their brushes are so cheap.
Really?
Yeah, and they're really good. I like them.
Okay, I'll definitely check it out.
And like, so when they get messed up, they're easy to replace. You know, you don't have to spend like $30 on one brush.
Yeah.
Wow. Hello.
It's a look for sure.
Neon. I wonder how this would look under a black light.
True. It would probably be pretty interesting. Oh, and then the yellow it's a party.
Sorry, I don't know why I'm blinking so much.
Oh, it's okay.
I don't do that. I can feel myself like blinking as she's tapping me. I'm not used to somebody else doing my makeup. That's why.
I feel, it's an interesting feeling.
So my face is your canvas right now.
Dude.
Whenever you want to experiment, let me know. I'll let you know when I want to experiment too.
Yeah.
Experiment on each other.
This is really interesting because I'm like blending out the eyeshadow on my hand. It feels like a paint palette. Like,
yeah, now you know why my arms are always so dirty.
Look up.
You're edgy already. Wow.
Yeah, it's a lot.
No, I love it. I bet when I put the lashes on, it's gonna be like, boom.
All right, look up.
So this is where it might be a challenge for you because I have a lot of wrinkles in my eyes.
Oh no, it's no big deal.
Woo! Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm gonna go to a rave or something. This is so sick.
This is the Moon Glow in green. And
it's like there's a brush in it. Oh, that's
cool.
cool.
It's like a little liquid liner.
It looks like it'd be like a squeeze tube or something.
Yeah, it would. I mean, you can use it as that because honestly, this brush isn't the greatest. So you can squeeze it out and just use any kind of brush. But yeah.
Wow. I feel like cool. Okay, I feel cool.
Cool. Now I like to do liner.
Okay. She is using the Tarte, what is it called?
Tardiest.
The Tardiest, oh it rubbed off. The Tardiest eyeliner, Tarte, I don't know, something.
It has double edges.
Yes.
It's a double-edged sword. So what I like to do is just go in on the base with the pencil liner and get it like as thick as you can there. And then focus the thickness more towards like the outer, and then as you get inner, like kind of smudge it. Like you don't want a lot on the inner. For the wing liner, I just like to draw a line on both sides and see, and then make it even. My Lash Glue. This stuff is amazing. I love it so much. I've never found
Velour.
Wow. I've never found a lash glue as good as this, and I've used so many.
I know your lashes are always, the corners are always down, everything's always good with yours.
Yeah,
I just use Duo.
This shit is great, and it's like $12 from Sephora, and it's like, it has this really nice applicator, so you can like really get in it. Like if anything comes up, you can just go like this instead of like, I've had so many times where I use that regular generic like squeeze stuff and it explodes all over my eye.
Oh no.
And I like,
yeah, you have to like take off your whole lash to fix it.
and then it's in my eye and I'm like, so yeah, no, this stuff's great.
I love that it's dark tone too. Because I have light eyelashes, and if I decide to not wear eyeliner with my lashes, you can see it, like over it, and you have to just pile on the black if anything. So it makes it a whole lot easier when the dark tone, when you have dark tone for your eyelashes, because the eyelashes are black anyway.
I have this Milk Kush mascara.
Ooh, nice. I haven't tried any Milk products.
I liked that, but like it does get a little clumpy sometimes.
That's how I feel about Too Faced Better Than Sex. Like,
yeah, that one's definitely gets really clumpy.
Okay, so there's that. Mascara's on.
I might add a little green. Look at. What I normally do is, since I have that green in the middle, I use just a pop of pink in the middle to split up the lash colors. So if you look, it's like green and then pink and then green again.
Wow. Oh, I like that on the lashes. Okay, Zach, I see it. I see what you're doing. Pretty freaking cool, if you ask me.
And then we're gonna go in with some highlight. And I need to buy this Jeffree Star. What is this? Skin Frost.
Yes, Skin Frost.
And this one is, oh wait. I need the, yeah, Ice Cold. I really like the Ice Cold one. I need to buy it.
That's one I used for so long. I've bought so many of them. Just
yeah, this is the one that I normally use. It's Tarte. I use Stunner and Exposed. So this one's Stunner, but it's like really, it's almost out. So I normally mix my highlight, but I'm gonna mix these two since I don't have this one. So I'm gonna use this on Devyn. So I like to mix them and just get like really, really a lot. Love to just pack on highlight. It's my
just do as much as you need.
Alright.
Oh, look at that.
Alright.
Yes, we look like twins.
Never really done this on another person, but here we go. And I love this because it's like really natural, but it has like a nice pink, like summery look. But it's like kind of like muted too, so it, I don't know, it's just really nice. And then I normally do some freckles if you want me to add some of those.
Yeah, I mean, I covered all of mine. I probably shouldn't have done that, but yeah, add some freckles on me.
Hell yeah.
I've never had artificial freckles before.
Yeah, it's interesting. This stuff is really...
What is that? What do you use
This is called Freck. It's like literally 4 freckles.
Oh, really? Oh, wow. Who's it by?
Freck.
Freck?
Yeah.
That's all it is?
It's Freck. That's like their signature product. Turning you into an e-girl.
I know. Oh my god, that's what it is. I'm an e-girl now. Okay. Okay. Wow, I'm looking like Zeph. Okay. How does this feel, Zeph? We're even both wearing black t-shirts.
Oh, the big reveal. We have to
yeah,
I brought some accessories.
Some surprises about this. Oh my gosh, Zeph. Look at this. Wow. Okay, you guys aren't even ready for this style swap video. Like, this is just a teaser.
And then I have some earrings for you.
For the style swap video we have planned. Oh my gosh. Wow. And then which one?
Either one, you pick.
I think I'm gonna do the troll because it kind of matches the blue.
True. Sick. Oh my god, Devyn.
Oh my gosh. Who is she? Literally, who is she? Wow. Does this go a little tighter? Or do I like?
It can go a little tighter.
You can put it. You can put it tighter if you want to, just so it's like right up there on my neck. Choke me. Choke me. Okay.
Choke me, Zaddy.
Choke me, daddy. Okay.
You're me now.
I'm literally you now. Wow. I never thought this is such okay, this is nowhere near what the style swap is gonna be. Like you're gonna be like me and I'm holy crap.
The style swap is gonna be insane.
Wow.
Because like you're gonna be me from head to toe, like the shoes, everything. This is the look.
This is the look. Okay guys, so
oh actually sometimes if I'm really feeling like
go ham.
I like to do a little ear decorations.
Oh, ear. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, so I like to bring the look like into the whole vibe and just go for the ear as well because nobody really does makeup on their ear and I think it's kind of cool.
Yeah, my ears are always covered with baby hairs or
so like if you
hair.
don't have earrings or whatever, I just like add some neon. It's kind of hard to see. But
I like that. You should add some green in there too.
Yeah, because the green, like if you put them next to each other, they really pop. Like it's crazy. There you go.
Oh my gosh, ear makeup, guys. We're here for it. 2019 ear makeup.
Yeah.
This is my Xepher face, guys. Thank you for doing my makeup.
Of
wow.
course, yeah.
Let me do a close up real quick. So this is what Xepher has done to me.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that, yeah, with the earring, everything, hell yeah.
And the little troll earring, oh my gosh. Wow, okay, yeah guys, so this is definitely a teaser for our style swap video that we've been teasing you guys with for a while now.
This is gonna be lit.
We've both just been very busy, so that's the reason why I haven't got to this, so I figured this would be a good
This month
little...
has been crazy, bro.
Oh, so crazy. Ever since we decided to do it, things just like pop up for one or the other person. This doesn't even look like me. Like this is just so, these hoops. Oh, wow, okay.
Yeah.
Well, we're gonna go make some TikToks, so, or some Trillers, one or the other. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this was entertaining for you. This is definitely outside of my comfort zone for makeup.
You wouldn't wear that in public?
You know what? Maybe if like, this looks good though. Like,
yeah.
I think with you I would, not by myself.
I literally was wearing this out in public and I always forget that I do this weird and I just get people staring at me and I'm like,
why are you
right, I have
me?
neon people on my face. Like,
is that you and Griffin?
No, this is two random dudes.
Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. This was super fun for me. I hope it was fun for you to watch.
It was fun for me.
Oh yeah, definitely. Next time I will be doing her makeup in Devifying. That's a weird way to say that. Devynfying.
Devifying, I like that.
Devifying Zeph. So yeah, stay tuned for that. That video will be soon. I don't know when, but I'll let you know. Does this little troll have a name, by the way?
I have not named my trolls, no.
You should comment down below what.
Yeah, what should we name?
What should she name
What
the
most
troll?
liked? Oh wait, actually, never mind. Well, the best one, we're gonna pick it.
Yeah, next video she's in, we'll reveal the name of this little guy right here hanging from my ear. Be sure to follow Xepher on Twitter and Instagram, as well as subscribe to her YouTube channel. Also, be sure to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. All links will be below, as well as subscribe to my channel. Follow me on YouNow. I stream twice a week. Normally, I stream on like Tuesdays and Thursdays, but lately it's been off, like I said, with my posting schedule as well. So if you really want to know what days I'm for sure streaming, follow my Twitter. If you want to see the style swap video soon, like this video, share this video, comment on it, do whatever. It will be a good one.
Like, I'm so excited.
I know, I'm excited to see you just like me, and
yeah.
I'm nervous to be like, this is already like so much.
But the
like,
thing is, we have to go and like to a mall and walk around in public. Like we have to.
No, I'll vlog the whole thing.
Yeah.
It'll be an event for sure. Okay guys, so yeah, thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.